world where paths hold power and journeys transform souls. One wanderer was chosen to become the keeper of ancient wisdom. This is the legend of TravelCrock. The age of magic fades, but wisdom must endure. You have walked many paths, learned many lessons. This cauldron will gather the wisdom of all travelers, all journeys. You must take it through the great realms, learning their secrets. Why me? Because you understand that all paths are one path, all journeys one journey. In the Forest of Shadows, Aldrich learned that growth comes from embracing uncertainty. Those who fear getting lost never truly find their way. Aldrich places the TravelCrock beneath the tree. Water from a nearby stream flows impossibly upward into the cauldron, which begins to glow green. The forest teaches us that many paths can lead to the same destination. At Merlin's heart, they discovered the wisdom of perspective and standing firm. From the summit, all paths are visible, but you must choose just one to walk. The TravelCrock fills with glowing crystal water that shifts between solid and liquid. The mountain teaches patience. Some journeys cannot be rushed. In the Desert Secret, they learned the power of transformation and simplicity. Change is the only constant. Embrace it, and you will never truly be lost. The TravelCrock fills with golden sand that flows like water. The desert strips away the unnecessary, revealing what truly matters. But dark forces sought to control all paths, to collapse them into a single road. Why suffer the chaos of choice? I offer one perfect path for all. The architect's forces attack. Aldrich raises the TravelCrock, which now glows with the combined essences of all realms. The beauty of the world lies in its many paths, not a single road. The TravelCrock erupts with multicolored light, pushing back the darkness. At the Eternal Crossing, Aldrich faced the ultimate challenge, to preserve the diversity of paths while maintaining their connection. Will you choose the costliest of all paths, the one that is neither unity nor separation, but the renewal of every possibility? Aldrich places the TravelCrock at the center of the nexus. It begins to overflow with light that forms new paths connecting the realms. All paths are one path, all journeys one journey, all travelers one traveler, in the eternal dance of wisdom shared. And so Aldrich became the TravelCrock wizard, keeper of paths and sharer of wisdom.
Show Aldrich helping travelers at crossroads, brewing wisdom in the TravelCrock, teaching young Path-Wardens.
Every journey teaches something new. Every path holds wisdom. And every traveler carries a piece of the world's great tale. The legend of TravelCrock continues with each new journey, each new path discovered. The traveler looks up at a crossroads sign showing multiple directions, smiles, and begins walking. The legend of TravelCrock. Discover your path.